In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Memoji on FaceTime video calls. This is a fun way to add some personality to your conversations, and it's easier than you might think. Let's get started. First, you're going to open your FaceTime app. You can find this app on your iPhone or iPad's home screen. Once you have it open, go ahead and make a video call to a friend, a family member, or anyone you want to chat with. You can do this by tapping on their name or entering their contact information. Now, once your call connects, you'll be able to see and hear the other person. During your FaceTime call, you'll want to tap the screen to make the FaceTime controls appear. This step is important because these controls allow you to customize your video call experience. When the controls are visible, your next step is to find the effects button. Now, depending on your iOS version, this button will either look like a star or a smiley face icon, so keep an eye out for either. Tap on it when you see it, and this will open up a list of fun options for you to play with during your call. Once you're in the effects menu, look for the Memoji section, which will display all the Memoji you've created previously. To bring your Memoji to life, simply tap on the one you'd like to use. Perhaps you'll pick the one that looks most like you, or maybe you'll choose one that represents how you're feeling today. Once you've selected your Memoji, it will automatically appear on the screen taking your place. Here's the coolest part. Your Memoji will mimic your facial expressions and movements in real time. That means it will smile when you smile, frown when you frown, and everything in between, turning your face-to-face call into a dynamic animated conversation. But the fun doesn't stop there. If you want to mix things up, you can switch between different Memoji during your call. Simply return to the Memoji section and select another character. Additionally, if you're feeling playful, you can add fun stickers or text. This adds another layer of creativity to your chats, making your conversations even more memorable. And there you have it. You now know how to spice up your FaceTime video calls with Memoji. With these steps, you can amuse your friends and add a playful touch to your digital conversations. Why not give it a try during your next call? It's bound to bring a smile to your face, and thanks to the magic of Memoji, a smile to your animated character's face too. Thanks for watching and happy FaceTiming.